Forget everything you've seen before because the foldable game just changed forever. Imagine a screen so perfect, so seamless that the word crease doesn't even exist anymore. We're talking about the future of mobile engineering, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a total reimagining of what a folding display can be. Slimmer, sharper, and more refined than ever, this device is designed to feel like a solid piece of glass that defies the laws of physics. The tech world is buzzing right now because the legendary leaker Ice Universe just dropped a massive update that confirms our wildest dreams. From a professional perspective, he's revealed that Samsung has finally cracked the code. He's seen the display and says it's not just free of creases, but the quality is on a whole different level. Even when you tilt the phone at an angle, that annoying dip in the middle is completely gone. He's speculating that Samsung is using their most advanced M14 OLED materials, which means the colors are going to be more vibrant and the whites will be purer than anything we've seen on a foldable to date. But here is the real kicker from the report. This incredible flawless screen is being integrated into both the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and a brand new wide fold variant. We are looking at a future where the display quality finally matches the premium price tag, eliminating the green or blue tints we used to see at angles. This is the moment foldables go mainstream and leave the competition in the dust. The revolution is creaseless, and it starts with the Fold 8, is expected to introduce a new privacy-focused display technology called Flex Magic Pixel, which was first introduced with the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is not just a software privacy filter or a basic screen dimming feature. Instead, it represents a next-generation OLED innovation that is integrated directly into the display hardware itself. Flex Magic Pixel works by controlling light emission at the individual pixel level. This allows the screen to intelligently narrow viewing angles whenever sensitive content is detected, rather than placing a universal privacy layer across the entire display. The system operates dynamically. The main inner display of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to fully support this advanced capability. What makes this technology notable is the way it functions intelligently. Instead of treating the entire display identically, it can apply privacy protection only to specific areas of the screen. For example, when the device is fully unfolded, it may narrow viewing angles across the entire inner panel or only in certain sections where private information such as messages or passwords appears. By precisely controlling how light exits each individual pixel, we can create a high-resolution image. The display limits side visibility while keeping the front-facing view bright, clear, and color-accurate. Samsung originally presented this innovation alongside the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra as part of its broader push toward AI-assisted display technology. On a foldable device like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, the feature becomes even more meaningful. Foldable phones are frequently used in public environments, and their larger inner displays naturally raise greater privacy concerns compared to standard smartphones. Leaked One UI 9 files discovered by Android Authority have revealed design images of 3 upcoming foldable devices: the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and a completely new device called the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Wide. The Fold Wide appears particularly interesting, showing a unique passport-style form factor when closed, which looks quite different from the traditional Fold design. Meanwhile, the Fold 8 and Flip 8 appear mostly familiar. However, all 3 devices seem to feature softer and more rounded corners in the early design visuals. It is still unclear whether this reflects a final design adjustment or simply placeholder graphics from early software builds. When Samsung introduced the Galaxy Z Fold 7, 2 key upgrades immediately stood out. First was the refined design. Second was the major camera improvement, highlighted by the 200-megapixel main sensor. Now the question is, what can we expect from the Galaxy Z Fold 8 in 2026? Let's take an early look. According to industry reports in a recent update shared by tipster Samsung's upcoming Z Fold 8 display could adopt a laser-drilled metal display plate. This new internal structure is designed to distribute stress more evenly across the substrate as the device bends. Instead of pressure building up along a tight fold line, the panel forms a softer arc at the micro level, which is exactly where creases usually appear. If accurate, this approach could directly target one of the most discussed concerns about foldable devices: long-term crease visibility and durability. In terms of cameras, the Galaxy Z Fold 8, internally codenamed Q8, is expected to move forward while maintaining certain familiar elements. Starting with what remains unchanged, the main camera will once again feature a 200-megapixel sensor. That decision is unlikely to surprise anyone, given Samsung's continued focus on high-resolution imaging in its premium lineup. However, one detail may raise some questions. Both front cameras, the one on the cover display and the one embedded within the large inner screen, are expected to retain 10-megapixel sensors. This is notable because Samsung has not used a 10-megapixel front camera in its Galaxy S series since the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. The real deciding factor may ultimately be whether this new crease reduction technology delivers meaningful improvements in everyday use. It is Samsung's boldest move yet, carefully designed to completely transform how people experience and use foldable smartphones in daily life. With a noticeably wider cover screen, a nearly creaseless inner display, and a much stronger focus on productivity, this device feels more powerful and more premium than ever before. For the very first time, the Fold truly feels like a normal smartphone when it's closed. The wider front display makes typing, scrolling, browsing, and everyday tasks much easier and far more comfortable. You no longer feel restricted by a narrow screen, which was one of the biggest and most common complaints about older Fold models. When you open the Z Fold 8, the experience becomes even more impressive and refined. The internal display is now almost completely flat, with the crease barely visible to the eye. This makes watching videos, gaming, streaming, and reading content feel incredibly smooth and deeply immersive, just like using a real tablet. Samsung is also focusing heavily on multitasking improvements. The wider layout allows you to run multiple apps side by side, drag and drop content smoothly, and work more efficiently than ever before. The Z Fold 8 is no longer just a phone. It is a portable workstation that fits directly in your pocket without compromise. This upgrade is also a smart and strategic move. With Apple rumored to launch its own foldable device in 2026, Samsung is making sure it stays ahead of the competition by directly fixing the biggest user complaints from previous generations. Samsung is clearly setting a new and higher standard for foldable devices before serious competition even arrives in the market. Samsung appears so confident in the Z Fold 8 that it is increasing production numbers significantly. For the first time, more Fold units will be produced than Z Flip models, showing that Samsung strongly believes people now want larger, productivity-focused foldables instead of smaller compact ones. The wider design does make the phone slightly bulkier in hand, but the trade-off delivers a much better and more complete experience overall. If Samsung clearly explains the differences between the various Fold variants, the Z Fold 8 could easily become the most popular Fold ever released. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is not about being small anymore. It is about being powerful, immersive, and truly practical in real-world usage. A phone that can confidently replace your tablet and significantly upgrade the way you work, create, and play every single day. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you watched, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I truly appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Peace out.